Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will discuss about two very important concepts of finance: internal rate of return and modified internal rate of return. We will try to understand the concepts and also some practical application of these concepts. Let's dive in. First, try to understand what is internal rate of return. Let us imagine a business where there is a cash outflow and there is a series of cash inflows. Very simply speaking, the rate at which the NPV becomes zero is called internal rate of return. Let's go to Excel and try to understand how we calculate this. On the screen, we see a business plan where there is a cash outflow of 50K followed by a series of cash inflows. Now, is this a good business plan? We have to do a present value and compare this. When we do the present value, we will use a discount rate formula. The discount rate at which this NPV will become zero is known as IRR, and that is calculated as equal to IRR, opening bracket, the series of values, and we will put a guess. Let me put that as 9%. So the IRR is 11%. Why is IRR useful? Let's take this example itself. The business plan where I am getting a return from the business at 11%. Now, if this return is less than my cost of capital, is this business a successful business? The answer is no. So IRR less than cost of capital is not viable business plan. IRR helps us identify the right business plans. Case 2. In case there are several business options in front of an investor, how will the investor identify the right business plan to invest in? The one that gives more IRR is a better business plan. Better is better. So this is how IRR helps us in identifying right business plans or right project plans. We will try to understand now what is MIRR or modified internal rate of return. This is very similar to IRR, but the only difference here is the money or the return is not given back to the investor, rather it is reinvested back to the business. To elaborate this with an example, I will go back to Excel. Here on the screen, we see a series of cash outflows followed by a lump sum return to the investor. This is very similar to an SIP, where every year you are paying money and you are paid back at the end of the period. Now you would like to know what is the return that is given. We will use MIRR equal to MIRR, opening bracket, the series of cash flows. We will try to understand what is the finance rate and let that be 9%. And what is the reinvestment rate? So money is reinvested back to the business at 9%. So I will put 9% here also. MIRR comes to 10%. Now, how is MIRR useful to us? If we have 2 or 3 SIP options in front of us, we can apply MIRR to understand which one is better. So the formula is like equal to, I will put it once again on the screen. This is the MIRR formula, and the IRR formula is equal to This is the IRR formula. I hope I have been able to explain the concept of IRR and MIRR. In case you have found the video helpful, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I will come back with more such videos. Thank you and thanks for watching.